When they come on the plane, I usually try to find the grouchiest person, and it's my goal to switch them. And so by the time they get off the plane, they say, "That was a really great flight, thank you." And it's just a little game I play with myself. My name is Aimee Mills. I'm a lifelong Alaska resident, and I'm a proud employee of Alaska Airlines. I'm a flight attendant, and I just absolutely love my job, and I love being an Alaskan. I didn't like that my teeth didn't all look the same. I didn't like that they were kind of mismatched shape. I felt like it was very narrow. So it's been something on my mind for probably 10 years. When I first met Dr. Who and his staff and Rebecca, I immediately just clicked with all of them. I immediately felt that I was in a very safe place.
My name is Dr. Jerry Who, and I'm a dentist in Soldotna, Alaska. I also have a satellite clinic in Anchorage, Alaska, and I've been practicing here since 1998.
I wanted my smile to look the way I felt inside. I just kept looking in the mirror and just couldn't believe I finally had a smile that matched how I felt on the inside.
When you look at how Macstudio and Microdental is sort of the champion with that, all their different communication steps, their smile makeover catalog designs, their anterior characteristic guides, those are things also designed to ask the opinion of the patient, their expression, their uniqueness. And so doing that with Aimee was very important, and picking out what the end product was way in advance really does show that you're not just here for, oh, enhance my smile, if you will, and do it kind of like blindly or whatnot, but really focused and attention to detail. And then of course having talented artists like the Macstudio technicians.
Dr. Who and his staff have given me one of the best gifts I can ever be given, and that was the smile that I've always wanted, and it's something I can be proud to show everybody every day.